In life, we often compare. We see someone's perfect photo and ask, why not me? But photos hide the hard parts. If this makes your mind noisy, watch this video till the end because today's story will help you accept yourself, enjoy small blessings, and calm the urge to compare. Let's begin. At the edge of the jungle, there was a quiet hill. From that hill, you could see everything: trees, rivers, rocks, and a wide open sky. One afternoon, a little monkey sat on that hill and watched a tourist van stop near a big rock. People took photos of a lion. The monkey touched his own face. "Nobody takes pictures of me," he whispered. "Maybe I am too small. Maybe I am not special." When the van drove away, the monkey climbed down and found the lion drinking water by the river. "Dear lion," the monkey said, "I wish I was big and strong like you. Then people would notice me." The lion looked at the river, not at the monkey. "Small friend," he said softly. "People notice me, yes. But sometimes they also hunt me. Sometimes they take me to a zoo. I sleep with one eye open. Attention is not peace." "Then who is happiest animal of the jungle?" asked the monkey. "Maybe the goat," the lion said. "No one puts goats in zoos." The monkey went up the hill and found a goat eating leaves. "Goat," he said, "the lion says you are happy." The goat shook her head. "I am food for many. I must always listen, always watch. If I hear the lion, I run. If I hear humans, I hide. Safety is not my friend. Maybe the fox is happy. People don't eat foxes much, and lions don't chase them often." The monkey crossed a small stream and met a fox under a tree. "Fox," he said, "are you happy?" The fox gave a sad smile. "My fur is beautiful to humans. They make clothes from it. Beauty brings danger. I walk carefully every night. Maybe the rhino is happy, strong like a rock. Even lions step away from rhinos." The monkey walked and walked until the ground became flat and hard. He saw a rhino resting beside mud. "Dear rhino," the monkey said, "are you the happy one?" The rhino lifted his head. "Humans want my horn. They tell each other stories that my horn is medicine. So I hide, even though I am strong. Maybe the elephant is happy. No one wants his tusks anymore, right?" The monkey found an elephant near the tall grass. "Dear elephant," he said, "you are big and wise. Are you happy?" The elephant sighed. "People don't eat me, true, but some take me from the jungle and teach me to perform. Chains, cages, commands. Freedom is my wish, not my life. Maybe the snake is happy. Nobody eats snakes." The monkey, now tired, went to the cool shade of rocks where a snake slept. "Snake," he whispered, "are you happy?" The snake opened one eye. "Humans use my venom for medicine. They keep me in glass boxes. I watch the sun through glass. I give and give. Happiness is far." The monkey's shoulders fell. He walked back to the hill as the sun began to set. He sat under a tree and thought, "Lion has attention but no peace. Goat has food but no safety. Fox has beauty but no freedom. Rhino has strength but no trust from humans. Elephant has wisdom but often no choice. Snake has purpose but no open sky." The monkey looked at his own hands. "And me?" he asked himself. "I am small but I can climb. I can jump. No one hunts me for fur or horn or venom. I have sweet fruit and high branches. I can see the whole jungle like a map. Maybe I was so busy wanting their gifts that I forgot my gifts. The next morning, the jungle did not change. The monkey changed. As the tourist van returned, people pointed their cameras at the lion again. The monkey smiled from his high branch and did not climb down. He did not need their eyes to feel important. He picked another fruit and took a bite to enjoy the little blessings he already have in his life. When we accept how God made us, our mind becomes peaceful. If we compare our blessings and our problems, we will often see more blessings. So let's notice the good things, reduce comparisons, and enjoy life more. Comparison steals joy. Gratitude reveals strength. When you stop wishing for someone else's gifts and use what you already have, your mind becomes peaceful and your life moves forward.